Ginshin Impact sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody. Today we show you how to fix and solve this problem. Let's do it. Directly open the settings of your phone. Click at apps option, and here at apps option you have to search for Ginshin Impact and click on it when you will see it. Scroll these lists down now, click storage, click clear cache. So back after this, click on force stop, click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store, update Genshin Impact, restart guys your device to finish, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and